Hey y'all, Chuck here and Paige in Thap Phnom, Thailand. Yeah, we're both sick.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. That is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
I've been sick for about 2 days now. That's why you're seeing videos late at the moment. I slept about 14 hours today. Got a head cold. We caught it from the airport, sitting in the airport with all them people. Yeah, we haven't been sick in such a long time. Today is Saturday here in Thap Phnom, and we're gonna go to the walking street. Today is the anniversary of the king's death, so they're gonna have a little bit of a ceremony in front of the temple. We're gonna go check it out. There's quite a few people. Do I have shit all over my face? No. I have a little bit of stubble, so when I blow my nose, I get tissue all over my face, and they never say anything. But we're gonna go walk over here and just look around. But today was the Kangaroo Festival, and tomorrow. I wanted to take you guys there, so what they have. Oh, not one. I wanted to take you guys there. It's also vegetarian. What is it, a month for vegetarian?
Like 10 days.
10 days, sorry. So the vegetarian restaurant's doing really well right now. But tomorrow I'll take you to the Kangaroo, which it's the boat races. The long boat races. Anyway, we'll check it out. Free stuff. Why? Free stuff where? I like free stuff. What are you eating? What? I'm gonna lie. You got stuff all over you.
Once they give this free, right? And then I didn't even know the bag was broken, so I bought.
Where's your mom? Okay, where's your dad? Home. Okay. Are you cooking? Hey, I want one of those. Can I have one?
You want it now?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Is that free too? I thought you said free. Oh. I don't need a bag. My too. Okay. Thank you. Hello.
And Iกินยังมุมอินเขาแจก
นี่ก็เป็นอีกเมื่อนึงนะครับที่
สวัสดีครับ
ฝ้าฝนเอื้อมหน่วยให้พี่น้องได้ค่าได้ขาย
สวัสดีครับ
แต่ว่าเมื่อนี้
ใครดีไหมครับ
กิจกรรมหลาย
พอได้ขายอยู่ครับ
ละเอียดในถนนเข้า
ชิมเลยครับชิมเลยครับชิมเลย
ชุดแค่ประตูโขงนะครับ
มากระชิม
เพราะว่าริมฝั่งแม่น้ำโขงมื่อนี้มีการของพี่น้องชาวอำเภอธาตุพนมในช่วงเวลา 18 นาฬิกานะครับจะประกอบพิธีบุญเทียนรำลึก
ดันดูเฉย
สมเด็จพระปรมินทรมหาภูมิพลอดุลยเดชก็คือมีงานสัตนาคาลำลึกเป็นมื้อที่พี่น้องมี 2,500 ถึงเมื่อ61 ปีที่แล้ววัดพระธาตุพนมกระจัด
ๆโอ้ย
กิจกรรมนี้ได้สืบทอดกันมาในเวลา 60 กว่าปีแล้วนะครับที่เคารพรัก จะน้อยนะครับในช่วงของการประกอบพิธีทางวัดเครื่องเสียงจะต้องลดปริมาณเสียงลงเพื่อปล่อยเป็นการ
Cupcake Cupcake
ครับขอแจ้งประชาสัมพันธ์เลยครับพี่น้องครับเนื่องจากว่า
สวัสดีครับ That guy's there every day in front of the market, in front of the temple. That's his skill. They're setting up right now, so we'll come back. It's going to be dark. Looks like they got good lighting, so we'll see if we can even see the celebration. This is Khao-san. This Khao-san. Where we were just at was Khao-san Road. Khao is rice, and san is like it's like a hard rice out of the shell. Khao-san. Okay, uncooked rice. That's what I was looking for. It's hard to think when you got a head cold. That's why I have here. I have Google with me. Yeah, she got a cold too. I'm joking. This stuff stinks. Let's go walk down to the river and see if they're still racing the boats. Here's the progress of the road. I'm doing this house. The temple's paying for all of the renovation of these houses and the street and everything. I guess they're done. There was the last one.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe go back home. I'm not gonna know it.
We'll come back tomorrow. I'll bring you guys tomorrow for the main races tomorrow. So today was just kind of a practice. But tomorrow's Sunday fun day, so I should be through with this crap tomorrow. We have never eaten at this restaurant here. It looks pretty cool though, but I will have to try it out one day. One day. What is Tao Hoi? Huh?
tofu ginger
Oh,
ใช่ไหม
king.
ขิง
King. Yeah, this stuff is really good if you have a sore throat. It's ginger and a custard. Nobody likes to walk in Thailand. That's a dude. I don't understand why they can't walk just a little bit, you know? You gotta ride the moped everywhere.
I know.
That's a dude. I'll have some kai ping. I'm like addicted to this stuff now. Kai ping.
บาท20 บาท20 บาท
Yisa. You want a balloon? You want to walk this way and around, or you want to go home? You feeling okay?
ป่วยปิ้ง
Kai ping. I know you guys have seen this market a bunch of times. You probably know it better than me.
Want a new purse? Man purse.
I do need another wallet.
Have that wallet.
I don't really feel like it. Guy taught my
เจ็บคอโดนไป I like it.
เพราะทุกนำเบิกนครพนมและทุกนำและหลายทุกได้ร่วมบันทึกภาพแล้วที่เราต้องหน้าถนนวันหาวิหารเพื่อจะเป็นพิธีสำคัญเราตามหลักฐานซึ่งจะทำเป็นประจำทุกปีที่วัดพระธาตุพนมวรมหาวิหารหลังจากที่เราได้เสร็จกิจกรรมที่3ในช่วงเย็นแล้วหากท่าน
Okay, guys, it's going to start here in a little bit. It's just a ceremony for the king. But we'll check out the fun stuff tomorrow.
วันที่13ตุลาคมเป็นวันสำคัญ
Paige and I aren't feeling well to be outside right now.
เป็นวันที่พระสุริยนชาวไทยวัดจะกล่าว
นี้มากินพวกเจ็บคอ
อ่ะพ่อครับหน่อยน้ำไก่ไหมครับ
สวัสดีครับ
เต้าหัวนะเต้าหัวจ้ะ
Okay, this is ginger drink or ginger juice with pudding
What do you?
and my barbecued egg. Anyway, that's what's happening today, guys. Not feeling well, sick. Tomorrow's gonna be fun, Sunday fun day. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.